So GODOX has been a trusted brand in the filming industry. So I'm super excited to try out their latest product. I have the MoveLink 2 Mark II wireless microphones. That's what I'm talking about. So let's have some fun and let me give you my thoughts about this product here. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So audio is very important. And what you're listening to right now is the MoveLink 2 Mark II with the lav mic connected to me here. And I have the receiver connected to my trusty Zoom F6. So what you're listening to right now is no post-processing at all. This is the quality of sound that you would get from this GODOX wireless microphone. But you know what? Before I give you my thoughts about this product, let's go on and let you see my unboxing experience with this product. So check this out. All right, guys, so here it is, right? This is the unboxing of the GODOX MoveLink 2 Mark II. Now, I never have had the Mark I, but this is the Mark II. So here is the presentation of the box. All right, so let's go to slide it out and see what we get in the box. Okay, nice presentation here. Let's get that open. Ooh, all right. All right, nice presentation. Look like we have a cleaning cloth, maybe. Ooh, look at that GODOX box. Ooh, let's see here. Oh yeah. So look at that. You have the two transmitters and the one receiver in here. Nice little case there. See what else we get in here. What kind of goodies we get? Oh, look at the wind muffs. Okay, we get two thick wind muffs. This really works outside, which I'm going to test in this video. Okay, and we do get a manual. The presentation here is absolutely marvelous. I love this presentation here. Okay, let's see what else goodies that we get in the box. Ooh, we get a whole lot. We get a lanyard. Okay, we get a lav mic, two lav mics. Look like we get a cable that goes to the camera. And look like we get a cable that goes to your cell phone. And look like we get some magnets here so you can pin this on the body without using the clip. And look like we get 3 USB-C to USB-A charging cables here. So that is a good look. Okay, when we take the units out of the case here, nice lightweight. All right. I like this case. I really do. Look like it's passed through. So this is not going to be a charging case. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Wow, look at that. So let's talk about the specs. The GODOX MoveLink 2 Mark II has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver that's on the 2.4 gigahertz network. These device frequency range is 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz with a signal to noise ratio about 7 dBs and a dynamic range of 90 dBA. Now, the maximum SPL of this product is 110 decibels. Now, powering these microphones, there's a 300 milliamp battery that runs up to 8 hours. Now, all 3 devices have TFT displays, which is really nice. Now, they're super lightweight at about 27 grams. Now, the wireless distance with these microphones is about 100 meters, which I will test in this video. The pickup pattern of these microphones is omnidirectional. And lastly, for the price, these microphones will set you back $199. I will leave all product links down in the description below. So let's take a look at the receiver. At the top here, you have a 3.5 millimeter jack for monitoring your audio. Next, there's a TRS port here for connection to your camera or other input sources. On the right side here, you have your power button and your AB button. Also, you have your volume up and down, which you can control either transmitter here by the AB switch here. And next, on the other side here, you have your pairing, also your mono and stereo button here. And then you have a USB Type-C charging port here. And on the back, you do have a belt clip, or you can connect this to a cold shoe, hot shoe mount right here. And then in the front, you do have the display, which is really nice. So let's talk about these transmitters. On the top here, you have your microphone, and you have a port here for a lav mic. On the right side, you have your power button. Also, you have a mute switch. On the left side, here on the other side, you have your pairing button. Also, this button here controls certain features here, which we're going to talk about in this video. Then you have a USB Type-C port here for charging. And on the back, again, you have a clip. And on the front, you do have that display. So that is nice. So pretty much all of them have a display, and all of them have the same unique features, which is really nice. Now, the two transmitters do have microphones, and the microphones, again, sound really good, along with the lav mic that sound exceptionally well. So let me give you guys a demo here on how all this works. All right, guys, so let's talk about these microphones and some of the features here that I really do like. First, you've been listening to the lav mic, and I have this microphone on, but I have it on pause. So what I'm going to do is I want to take this microphone off, and I'm going to put this one here on mute, and then we go listen to this one, the other receiver, all right, the transmitter. All right, let's go and turn that off, and we go pause this. All right, so I muted the sound on the lav mic, and what you're listening to right now is the other transmitter without the lav mic. It's a fundamental difference between having the lav mic and using the unit itself. Now, one of the things that you will do is you'll put this right here. Now, this is going to be the way 99% of the time you're going to use it like this. Or you go tuck it inside your shirt. And this is going to be the sound quality that you're going to get using the unit itself without the lav mic. So just so you know. But one of the things that this does have is it have a feature that's called noise reduction, right? Which is really nice. So let me go down and turn it on the noise reduction so we can hear that. Okay. And let's go to noise reduction. All right, so here it is. This is going to be the noise reduction or the noise cancellation. As you can hear, you can't hear a lot in the background. It just took everything and it boosted it down. So this is how it's going to sound with the noise reduction on. All right, this is how it's going to sound with the noise reduction on. Now, I'm going to switch to the lav mic, and we go turn on the noise reduction so you can hear that also. So let's go to turn on. Let's mute this. All right, noise reduction off. And let's go on and mute. Okay. All right, mute that. Boom. Okay, so let's go on and mute this one. All right, so we muted that one, and now you're listening to the lav mic, and let me turn it on the noise reduction. Okay, again, this is the noise reduction using the lav mic. Now, again, you can hear the difference between both of the units using the lav mic and noise reduction and using the regular unit without the lav mic and noise reduction. Now, you let me know down in the comments below which one you like the best. All right, guys, so I'm out here at the park, and what I want to test with these wireless microphones is the distance test. Also, I want to let y'all guys listen to the lav mic versus the regular unit. So right now, what you're listening to is the regular wireless unit with the wind muff on it, because I'm outside and it's very windy out here. So this is kind of a must. But I do have the other unit here with the lav mic right here. So one of the things that I always do when I test these microphones is the distance test. And right now, GODOX is claiming that the Mark IIs can go up to 100 meters. So let's go to and talk about it. And that's going to be 100 meters of line of sight, by the way. Now, let's talk about my audio. Right now, I got these wireless microphones connected to my Zoom F6 to get that perfect audio. Now, you can connect this to your camera, and a lot of people do that. Now, I've got videos on my YouTube channel showing the difference in using external recorders versus plugging it up to your camera. But I like the audio clarity that comes from recorders. Now, right now, I'm pretty much a far distance from it. And what you've been listening to right now is the regular units with the wind muff on it. All right, so one of the things that I like about these wireless microphones is they do sound really good, especially at the price point. I'm a huge fan of the wireless system, so I really do like reviewing these wireless systems. And GODOX has been a trusted brand in the movie industry and the filming industry. So I'm glad I got these because I actually really do like the sound. All right, so as I'm walking back, I'm pretty much far here. As I'm walking back, I'm going to switch to the lav mic so y'all guys can hear the difference between the lav mic and the regular. So I'm about to turn on the lav mic. What you're listening to right now is the lav mic. So as I walk back, again, this is line of sight what I'm doing right now. Look, one of the things that I wish that this GODOX Mark II had was internal recording. That would have been like icing on the cake, but unfortunately it doesn't have internal recording. And right now I could tell you that I am very, very far. Don't even know if you can see me. I still see the camera, but I am very far. How is the audio quality between the lav mic and the unit itself? Because it is a fundamental difference between using the lav mic and not using the lav mic. This using the unit itself. Now, it has some unique features like, noise cancellation and stuff like that, which I really do like. The noise cancellation is really good, but here it is. Man, I am so far. I don't know if I want to go too far back because I might be losing coverage right now. If I'm not losing audio signal at this point, I would give these a thumbs up. This is a must-have because I'm telling you, I am so far. I'm at the point where I can almost barely see my camera, and I'm sure that you can barely see me. So let's walk back up. And again, I'm using the lav mic here with this setup here. Wow, man. All right, so this is going to be a test of the GODOX going straight to the professional camera. So I'm using my Canon 90D, and this is probably 99% of most people is going to use these wireless microphones going straight into camera. Now there's some advantages and disadvantages of using this microphone system straight into camera. First, you got to make sure you set your audio levels right. That's one thing. Next, the sound quality is not as good going to the camera versus external recorder. Now, I always use either my Capture X8 32-bit flow or my Zoom F6, my new Zoom F6 that I have, also in 32-bit flow, so I can get that excellent, crisp quality audio. But again, 90% of most people will use this just like this, going into camera itself. Now, it's better than using the camera mics, but it's not as good as using external recorders. But this is going to be the sound quality that you're going to get going straight into your camera. Now, I'm using the unit itself, not the lav mic. So let's go and turn on the lav mic so I can give you guys a sample. So what you're listening to right now is going to be the lav mic. Let me know down in the comments below how the sound quality is between the lav mic and the regular unit going into the camera. Again, I would always express that using external recorder is always the way to go. But if you don't have an external recorder and you want to go straight into camera, this is going to be the sound quality that you're going to get. So here's my conclusion. I really do like this wireless system, especially for the sound quality. I mean, look, the sound quality right here is actually really good. I really do like it. Now, the outside range was phenomenal, and the noise reduction is very good here. Also, the lav microphones are very good at this price point. Now, the system comes complete with all the accessories you need to get a professional project done, right? Which is really nice. Now, I wish that this charging case was a charger and not a pass-through case. This is only a pass-through case and not a charging case, which I wish it was a charging case. That would have been nice. Also, kind of a con is internal recording. Look, I like to have these wireless systems with internal recording because for backup purposes, or even if you lost audio due to distance or possible interference, having a backup recording is very nice. Overall, I like the sound quality. I like a lot of stuff with these wireless mics, and I'm glad I'm adding it to my arsenal. I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to check these microphones out. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the GODOX wireless microphone system in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.